Hello everyone! Are you trying to use lower resolution textures and want that nice crispy pixelation in them, but everything is looking like it's been smeared by Vaseline? Here's how to fix it. First, open up your imported texture. There are a few ways to go about fixing the issue, depending on how you want your texture set up. So let's quickly start with the fastest way. Under the level of detail section at the top, there's an option called Texture Group. Open the drop-down menu and select 2D Pixels Unfiltered. This will change several settings for your textures, but most importantly, it will change the filtering setting and set them to nearest, removing the blending of colors and creating that sharp pixelation effect. If you don't want to change the entire texture group, you can also scroll down to the texture section and find the option Filter. Open the drop down here and change from using the default for the texture group to nearest instead. This will create the same effect. If you're noticing a blurry look on your textures when moving away from them, it can be due to the mipmap settings, which is handling how your textures get downscaled based on distance to camera. You can open the mipmap settings drop-down menu in the level of detail section and choose no mipmaps to remove the effect. And that's how you set up the texture settings if you want better visible pixelation. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day.